a nice entrance from Richard Hood in the Pitts S12. 360 radial Russian horsepower gets you pretty vertical pretty quickly.
That's the tough part.
In the around 1990, he set up the Great Stunt Company, which some of us a bit longer in the tooth may recall, and campaigned ZK MAD MAD, which was a popular air show performer for quite a long time. Richard flies A320s for Air New Zealand. This is his hobby, pretty serious sort of a hobby.